Hi, I'm Sienna Costin with New Home Lifestyles. We're showcasing the best in new home design from around the country. Today we're with Pulte Homes in Las Vegas at the Solitude at Skye Canyon community. We're going to be touring the Gateway Model Home. Let's get started.
Thank you for joining us today as we tour Home Site 2 in Solitude at Skye Canyon. Address is 8269 Sky Blue Street, Las Vegas, Nevada 89166. Currently, we have about $20,000 in incentives on this home, bringing the total sales price to $454,560. As we enter the home, this home is sitting at approximately 2,000 square feet, single story, offering 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. As we turn the corner here, the entrance to the garage, which is a 2-car garage with an automatic garage door opener. We are entering bedroom 3, which comes with a ceiling fan pre-wire, ready to be installed at time of closing. We have the laundry room, complete with cabinets, both upper and lower. Bedroom 2, towards the front of the home. Again, featuring a ceiling fan pre-wire, ready to be installed after you move in. Pantry linen closet for any storage needs. Second bathroom with tub shower combination. Pedrofina countertops with an undermount sink. Full-length mirror and light fixture. As we walk down the wide hall leading to the great room area, we stop and see the den to the left. Private den with French doors added. And ceiling fan pre-wire, again for light fixture or ceiling fan after you move in. Into the kitchen with a large island overlooking the great room area, perfect for entertaining. Undermount single basin stainless steel sink with an upgraded kitchen faucet. Chef package appliances with a canopy hood, cooktop, and built-in microwave and oven. Espresso cabinets with crown molding on top. Quartz countertop to complement the cabinets. And a good-sized pantry. And you're welcome to help yourself to water when you get here. We also have our cafe area for dining, ceiling fan pre-wire fixture, as well as a light fixture in case you'd like to add a chandelier thereafter, and your 2 can lights for illuminating the cafe. This home features 1 area for the gathering room, cafe, and kitchen, again making it perfect for entertaining family and friends. We've included can lights in the great room to illuminate more as well, plasma TV pre-wire, and additional outlets. Large picture-size windows, perfect for lighting up the room and bringing that natural light in. Now we'll make our way to the owner's suite. At Pulte, we believe in putting the owner's suite on one side of the house, secondary bedrooms on the other to give more privacy between owners as well as family and friends that are visiting. This owner's suite is extended to give us a little more square footage, and still the ceiling fan pre-wire to add light and ceiling fan after you move in. Moving into the Owner's suite bathroom, dual sinks, raised cabinets, light fixtures, water closet separated from the rest of the bathroom, large walk-in closet complete with shelves and hanging rods, plenty of storage space for clothes, linens, anything you may need. The beautiful spa-like framed walk-in shower featuring a range shower head, additional shower head, and seat. Perfect for a relaxing time after a long day at work. Features Pedrofina countertops and again dual sinks undermount. Another look at the great room kitchen area, and as we head to the backyard, you'll see a covered patio with pavers. Perfect for outdoor living. Backyard is ready to be installed with the landscaping of your choice after you move in. Thank you once again for taking the time to view Home Site 2 in Solitude by Skye Canyon, an all single story gated community by Pulte Homes. Address is 8269 Sky Blue Street, Las Vegas, Nevada, 89166. Quick move-in price, $454,560. And we also have incentives for using our preferred lender, Pulte Mortgage, and we're offering 2.5% of the base price for closing costs for using our preferred lender. Please feel free to stop by the sales office anytime, and we look forward to seeing you in Solitude at Skye Canyon.
To learn more about this new home, check out the link below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to keep tuning in for more new home showcases.